This 704416001P coin meter drop is designed for 0.25 coin operation, and it's built to work seamlessly with Alliance machines used by top brands like Speed Queen, Hubsch, Ipso, and Sissel. Discover the 704416001P coin meter drop, a reliable replacement part compatible with Alliance laundry systems, Speed Queen, Hubsch, and other commercial washer brands. Designed specifically for 0.25 months LCZ PKG setups, this OEM quality component ensures accurate coin acceptance and long-term durability. It features an integrated optical sensor to prevent jams and misreads, helping you maintain consistent revenue and avoid downtime. Built for top-load commercial washers like HC18C2, HT30, and more, it's the ideal solution for laundromat owners who value efficiency and performance. It's easy to install, made for heavy-duty daily use, and backed by the trust of industry-leading brands. When you choose this coin drop, you're not just replacing a part, you're investing in dependable machine operation and stable income.